I found this trick in decomposing partial fraction, and I feel it would be great I share it with you, my audience. It is super fast and easier, but you only need to understand how to perform differentiation. In case you do not know how to perform differentiation, do not hesitate to check the description below. I've placed a link to a lesson on differentiation. That said, let's get into class. Now, we'll be using this question to help us understand how to use our super fast trick to perform partial fraction. Like we do in partial fraction, the first thing that we want to do is to break down the denominator. Now, my denominator says x squared minus 6x plus 8. If you factorize this should come from x squared minus 4x minus 2x plus 8. That will be x squared minus x 4, that's x minus 4. Here is x minus 2 again, that will be into x minus 4. So that on factorizing, we'll have this into x minus 4 into x minus 2. So that's 8x minus 28 over x squared minus 6x plus b plus 8, is the same thing as a over x minus 4 plus b over x minus 2. Now we want to find a and b. Well, we're going to use a method that will save us from using the laborious old method. What we need to do is understand that my f of x over g of x is the same thing as 8x minus 28 over x squared minus 6x plus 8. Now I'll now look for g prime of x. My g prime of x is the same thing as 2, because g of x is the same thing as x squared minus 6x plus 8. G prime of x will only be me differentiating the denominator. That will be 2x minus 6. To solve for a, my a will come from f of, under the denominator of a, I have x minus 4. Now take x minus 4, I'll pick x minus 4 equals 0, so that x will be equals to 4. I'll come from f of 4 over g prime of 4. That will be the same thing as f of 4 is 8 into 4 minus 28 over g prime of 4 will be 2 into 4 minus 6. That will be equals to 8 times 4, that's 32, minus 28 over 8 minus 6, which is the same thing as 32 minus 28, that's 4 over 2, which is equals to 2. The same thing happens to b. My b will come from f of, now x minus 2 is equals to 0, x will be equals to 2. F of 2 over g prime of 2. That will be the same thing as 8 into 2 minus 28 over 2 into 2 minus 6. 8 into 2, that's 16 minus 28 over 4 minus 6. 16 minus 28, that's 12. 12 over 2, negative, minus 12 and minus 2. Minus cancels minus here, becomes positive. This is equals to 6. So that my b now, you can see that easily we have found the values of a and values of, so that if 8x minus 28 over 2 over x squared minus 6x plus 8 is equals to a over x minus 4 plus b over x minus 2. Here I've just simply repeated my initial a's. Now, so that a now, we have gotten a to be 2 and b to be 6. So easily I can say that this is the same thing as 2 over x minus 4 plus 6 over x minus 2. You can see easily I've decomposed my partial fraction without the clumsy calculations we normally do.